Special drawing rights are often called paper gold. Let's demystify this global reserve asset used by central banks. An SDR is not a currency itself, but a potential claim on the freely usable currencies held by member countries of the IMF. Managed by the International Monetary Fund, or IMF, they serve as a supplementary international reserve asset for over 190 countries. The value of an SDR is based on a basket of 5 major international currencies, which keeps its value relatively stable. The IMF reviews these weights every 5 years to ensure they reflect the current importance of currencies in world trade. Think of them as a global safety net that helps stabilize economies during times of financial stress. Understanding global reserves helps you see the big picture of finance. Subscribe for more money basics.